The gross goods and services tax (GST) revenue collection in the month of December 2023 stood at 1,64,882 crore rupees. The revenue for the month of December is 10.3% higher than the GST revenues in the same month last year. The Finance Ministry in a statement said that out of the total GST revenue collected for the month, Central Goods and Services Tax is 30,443 crore rupees. State Goods and Services Tax is 37,935 crore rupees. Integrated Goods and Services Tax is around 85,000 crore rupees. And Cess is 12,249 crore rupees. The ministry added that the GST collection has witnessed a robust growth of 12% with the collection of 14.97 lakh crore rupees during the last 9 months. The first day of January